Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. So today I would like to post one video, and that video is based on ECG based data heading technique. So before execution of the code, just go and subscribe my channel for getting more videos of projects of DIP. Thank you so much. So just go and run this button. It will open one GUI. The title of the code is correlator based ECG steganography for privacy protection of data. So first you have to click on transmitter side. So basically the transmitter side is nothing but it's an embedding process. So first you have to select one ECG signal from database. So just click on select ECG button. Now you have to select one data, that is ECG data, and just click on open. So this data heading process will embed both text and image. So you have to enter the text that you want to embed in the ECG signal. So I am going to enter here the text, enter secret text here, and you have to select one image of thumb from database for embedding process. So I am going to embed this text and this image in this ECG signal. Now you have to enter some input parameters like key, secret key. So I am going to enter here 1, and how much bits you want to embed. So I am going to enter here 4. Now just click on embed button. So this process will embed this text and this thumbprint image in the ECG signal. Now I am getting some output parameter like PSNR. So I am getting PSNR is equal to 56.70. The mean square error I am getting is 19.89. The correlation that I am getting is 0.99. The PRD that I am getting is 0.01, and the total time required for embedding process is 2.95 seconds. Now you have to save this stego signal. So I am pressing this button, and you have to save that stego signal. So the stego signal is saved. Now just click on clear all and just go and exit this GUI. Now you have to click on receiver side. Now I just want to extract the embedded data. Now select stego ECG signal that is saved in .mat file. Just click on open button. Now you have to enter some input parameter that you entered at the sender side. Now just enter here 1, and the total number of bits is equal to 4, and just click on extraction button. So it will extract the secret text as well as the secret image. So this is my extracted text and this is my extracted image. So in this case I am getting some output parameter like correlation. So I am getting correlation is equal to 1. Bit error rate that I am getting is 0, and the total time required for extraction process is 1.55 seconds. So you have to save this secret message by pressing this button, and you have to save the secret image by pressing this button with any name. Suppose I am going to take here recovered image. Save this image and clear all the data and just press on exit button, and just close this final GUI. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos on DIP, so just go and subscribe my channel by clicking on this button. Thank you so much.